Welcome to this installment of the XSitePro tutorial series. XSitePro gives you everything you need, including templates and sample pages, to get your new sites up and running as quickly as possible. All you add is the actual content. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about the all-important step of using the WYSIWYG designer to add text, tables, graphics, and more to your beautiful new site's pages. The designer essentially lets you add different content to your design, be it the overall site template design or the individual web pages, with word processor simplicity, and without having to know a thing about HTML code. Let's take a look at how we can use the designer to make our web pages look great. Now, to work on your web pages in Designer View, just click on the Web Pages tab. Then select a page you want to edit from the list or add a new one if need be. And once you've selected your web page, click the Design tab here. If you've ever used a word processor in your life, the Designer View should look pretty familiar. You've got all the standard tools you'd find in any copy of Microsoft Word, like Find, Spell Checker, the clipboard tools, etc. Let's paste in some text from Word. Paste from Word is a great command because it strips out all that convoluted code that Microsoft Word likes to add. And of course, we can format text to our heart's desire. Using the Style drop-down list, we can make a headline out of our first line. Plus, you've got all the standard font, size, and color tools, plus toggle buttons for bold, italics, and underline. Up here in a separate toolbar, you've got a few more formatting commands, plus the ability to set the alignment of your text. This toolbar here contains tools to insert some of the more dynamic elements in XSitePro. Every one of these has its own dedicated tutorial video, but let me quickly go down the list anyway. First, you have the design wizards for quickly inserting common graphical elements. You can also insert custom code snippets, advertising links, audio, video, special widgets, RSS feeds, XML links to start your own feed, social networking links, an email list sign-up form, a site search form, and page breaks. Please refer to each item's own video tutorial for more info. Now, I've selected a bit of text here that I want to use to link to a great article I found. I just click the Insert Link button, and I can see every page in my site to easily link to. But what if it's part of someone else's site? Well, I just choose Other, and now I can paste in the link, set it to open in a new window, and even type in a bit of descriptive alt text. Click OK, and there's my link. It's also a breeze to add bookmark anchors for longer pages, images, which we'll discuss more in the clip art tutorial, and tables. Let's put a table right here. And of course, populate it. And of course, you have access to other standard web page components like horizontal rules, special characters, and full control over bullets, numbering, and indenting. Let's select these three paragraphs, and in one click, we can turn them into a bulleted list. Keep in mind that most of the panes on the Page Layout tab have the designer built in, so you can design elements that will appear on all your pages. As an example, I can use the designer to alter this template I'm using for my 4-hour website. The butterfly image was cute, but this is a little more appropriate. In addition to the toolbars, keep in mind that a great many of the commonly used tools, especially for the dynamic components, can be accessed through the right-click menu. So everything from snippets, to audio and video clips, to RSS and social networking links. You'll find everything you need right at your fingertips exactly when you need it. The designer is made to be powerful yet flexible, letting you put together an amazing page with ease.